Now, your life is a proof, kapirmi ko ginhambal ka ninyo, that for every sincere prayer, God has three answers. He never says no. He never says at a moment yes. But He may say, just wait. Anak, kay nag-wait ko patiently. Now, diya doon. Ito na to kung si kuan pa ni. Todo na to kung si kuan pa. Ito namanaan ko. So I am glad, I am very, very happy to see you. And I am happy you have found your little corner of the world with Janet. So, continue to be happy. Be patient. Always remember that is life. Life is not always sunshine. There is night. There is day. So, good luck, anak. Good luck. Be more patient. Pray harder. And I am looking forward to the day na makita kita tanan, you, Janet, and everybody here around. Happy birthday again, anak. I love you.